What's up guys, welcome back to the channel once more. On our way right now to Santon, Weinberg, to a Cars Koeksisters meetup. I don't know, it's a meetup, Sunday meetup hosted by Chicano Customs. It's all the way in Santon, so it's about 25 minutes. Yeah, it's about 25 minutes. So we're heading there right now. It's gonna be nice cars.
I'll show you about the first thing.
It's gonna be nice cars. Oh, there's gonna be nice cars. Definitely there's gonna be nice cars. Trust me, anything hosted by Chicano Customs. Okay, but have you seen Chicano Customs cars? Like they're all tops. And I'll show you when we get there. So guys, you'll see when you know. So guys, we're heading there right now. We're already on the way. So we'll check you guys when we get there. Yeah, check you guys when you get there. Right, boys and girls, we have just arrived at Chicano Customs at the Cars Koeksisters. I must say this place looks beautiful, and I already see nice cars, so we'll check those cars just a bit. Are you hungry?
Yes.
I'm hungry. I hope there's food here, but we'll just see when we're here. So let us go see all the nice BMWs that Mr. Chip Musa has. Oh my god, 2002, Papa. Like, it's a flippin' 2002 and an 1800. This is a Jesus Christ. We got nice, beautiful cars just here, man. Oh, E30 wagon. Have you ever seen one before? This thing is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my god. You gotta love them classics, eh? You gotta love them classics, boys. Classics. Ooh, no wheels. Oh, a clean MK2. There's always a beautiful MK2. Nice. Oh, a nice classic that is on the floor. Okay, it's literally written B.I.G, Baba. It's a B.I.G. I'm a kushesha in a line of it. Inside Chicano Customs, guys. Inside Chicano Customs, we have nice classics. Oh my god, man. Oh my goodness. Oh, dude. Oh. Look at that. Dude, like, when have you... these are the type of cars that you don't even see anymore. Dude, you'll never see a classic. Did you notice this is a Audi, right? Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Can't believe, ne? Oh, the workshop. In the workshop, I'm gonna eat it. Yeah, like this is where they build everything. Yes. Ever have a E30 that you actually wanna restore? Any old classic that you wanna restore? Chicano Customs is actually the place to be and the place to go, because they have all classics and it's all restorations here. everything. The only time you see this type of cars is in the movies. Wow, this is beautiful, yo. Dude. I'm a fit. Yeah. Look at this build, Joe. Once this thing is finished, this is just gonna be something else, eh? I don't know if I'm allowed to even show this, but yes, this is just beautiful, Joe. The color, guys, color. Jar. Oh. I'm bad with BMWs, but I know this is a 7 Series, guys. It literally says 7 Series. I don't even know what it's what your guys know it, Nama. This E what E20 what E30 what. Nah, well, I'm bad. When it comes to those names, I don't know them. But this one is 728i and very beautiful. Now we are deep inside the showroom area. We are inside the showroom area. You got your Cabriolet E30 Celeb. You know, one of the most famous E30s. Another wagon here, guys. I think there's only 2 right now that I know. Oh, God. M6 Buffet. You got your top G here, the backed Audi R8. This thing, it's always beautiful, you know, like. Okay. So this specifically E30. This one is from England, so it's definitely not a South African E30. It's a different car. Everything. If you wanted to know what kind of E30 it is, like, if you want to know, like, I think you can check Chicano Customs on YouTube, and then they'll tell you. This one is an automatic, Papa. This Golf-1 is MK, like, it's always clean, it's always been clean, Jesus Christ. This MK1 has been clean, like, since forever. I'm a fit. So, mina sengile isuti. I quickly went out to the mall, quickly with to get some food, and I've eaten, and we're good. And I'm back now again, and I see there's cars that actually came in, so Bumnand. We're gonna check out these cars now, so it's busy, and some cars are actually pulling in as well. So let's head to it and get some shooting done. M3, E30 M3, left and right. And definitely this one is an import, it's not from here. It's so clean and so beautiful. Oh my god, guys. Nyakala. Boys and girls, I think that's it for the day for me. It was a small thing, but it had beautiful cars, and actually it was my first time at Chicano Customs, so really like the shop very much. Love the cars inside, bro. Like, oh my god, bro, oh my god. But anyways, I think I'm done for the day, so it's just gonna be chill vibes, and I think I'm just gonna head home. I've got a few things to do. Eat it. So I think I'm done for the day, and guys, I guess I'll check you later in another video. But there's gonna be a series that I'm going to start, but I'll let you guys know what's the series. I'll do a short video and tell you guys what's the series, and then I'll let you guys know what we're doing. It's like a new thing that we need to do for the channel, so you guys will know soon. So I'll check you guys later. I'm heading out. Peace.